You'll never get me, Patrick! Ow!
Gotcha, Spongebob.
Oh, man. How long do I have to stay frozen for?
Well, it's freeze time, so someone has to unfreeze you.
Okay. Can I ask Squidward to unfreeze me?
Sure you can. Wait a minute, he's not playing. He can unfreeze you, cheater!
Okay.
Spongebob, stop moving!
I can't help it, Patrick!
What in the name of octopus? Ooh!
I can't even move.
Can you two settle down? It's just my pet dog.
It's just a dog. I thought it was a monster.
Nope, it's just my pet dog, and I need you to watch it for me.
I'd love to watch a monster.
No can do, Sandy.
SpongeBob, stop being a dry blanket. This is the one time to have a monster.
It's not a monster, Patrick.
Yeah, it's not a monster. Her name's Lucy. She's quite nice. Come pet her.
Okay. You bad monster!
I think she likes you. Come pet her, SpongeBob.
I can't, Sandy.
Now why's that?
Because I'm frozen.
That's impossible.
Just come tag me so I can be unfrozen and win.
Okay.
Thanks, Sandy. I can finally move.
Tag!
Guys, no more silly games. Lucy requires extra attention.
Okay.
Yes, I win.
Anyways, I'll get you her toys. Here's some toys for Fetch. Lucy loves Fetch. Here's her leash. She needs one walk today. Here's her bowl of food. Feed this to her at exactly 1 p.m. That's all. I'm really counting on you guys.
What should we do with him?
It's a girl, Patrick.
Oh.
How about Fetch?
Yeah, you like that boy?
It's a girl, Patrick.
There's no such thing as a girl monster.
It's not a monster. It's a dog.
No, it's not.
Whatever. I'll just go get the machine ready. Are you ready? Well, that's enough of this.
I can do it, SpongeBob.
Wow! Great throw, Patrick.
Whoops.
Ah! What is she doing?
The monster's roaring at us!
What? I can't hear you.
What did you say?
Ugh, it's over. What was she doing?
I think the monster is screaming at us for a walk. I'm scared.
You want to go on a walk, girl? Okay, let's go.
SpongeBob, can I show him my house?
Sure, Patrick.
And got it.
Okay. Whoa!
Whoa!
Ouch! Okay, let's get walking. Uh...
15 minutes later.
We've been walking forever.
It would have helped if we didn't get lost. But we're here!
Finally.
This is Patrick's house.
I think the monster likes it.
I think she does too. Let's go to the Krusty Krab next.
Okay, come on, boy. Hey, where did my house go?
Did she eat it?
Bad monster, you don't eat my house!
Stop yelling!
What?
I said stop yelling!
Well, he ate my house, Spongebob!
Finally, it's over. Let's go to the Krusty Krab. Come on, girl. This way. Patrick, pull with all of our might.
Whoa!
Whoa!
20 minutes later.
We made it.
What are you guys doing here?
We're taking Sandy's dog on a walk.
Well, I'm moving every single last Krabby Patty ingredient to the back of the freezer behind the Krusty Krab.
Wow, good luck with that. We gotta get going.
Where's me box? It was this creature, wasn't it? SpongeBob?
Get us out of here, Lucy.
Ouch, me eardrums! Ow!
Where is he? There you guys are. I was really looking for you.
Uh-huh. Here's Lucy. And if you really love her, don't let Mr. Krabs see her.
But SpongeBob, where's their toys and food? Don't worry, Lucy. I'll get you new toys.
I think we're safe in here, Patrick.
SpongeBob!
I'll handle this. Yes, Mr. Krabs.
Your creature ate everything!
Well, at the moment, no one's in this house. Phew! That was close.
Did you lock the door?
Whoops.
SpongeBob, there are no more ingredients!
Why don't you just make more?
You can't make more of them, it takes ages!
Well...
Yes?
The dog went that way.
Oh, I got something to say to that doggy.
Patrick, I got him to leave. It's safe.
How'd you do it, Spongebob?
I told him Lucy went that way. And she went that way.
Great, Spongebob. You really threw him off.
I know!
2 hours later.
SpongeBob!